Ever tried to access your crypto on your ELLIPAL wallet, only to find your assets are, well, blocked? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you're dealing with your hard-earned digital wealth. You see your coins, but you can't move them, can't trade them, can't do anything with them. It's like looking at your money through a window, but the door is locked, and you don't have the key. So, what exactly is going on, and more importantly, how do you fix it? This isn't just about a simple glitch. Often, there are very specific reasons why your ELLIPAL wallet might be preventing access to your assets. Understanding these common culprits is the first step towards regaining control. One of the most frequent reasons is a synchronization issue. Remember, your ELLIPAL hardware wallet stores your private keys offline, but the ELLIPAL app syncs with the blockchain to display your balances and transaction history. If there's a slow internet connection or a delay in blockchain updates, your app might not display the correct information, making it appear as if your assets are blocked or missing. The good news here is that your private keys are still securely air-gapped on your device, meaning your coins aren't actually lost. A simple refresh of the app or waiting for the blockchain to catch up often resolves this. Another common scenario involves specific asset requirements. Take XRP, for example. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, XRP has a built-in rule requiring a minimum balance to activate and use the address. If you've just set up an XRP address on your ELLIPAL and haven't deposited the required minimum, typically 20 XRP, your funds might seem inaccessible until that threshold is met. Similarly, sending certain tokens like USDT, ERC20 or TRC20 requires you to have the native coin of that blockchain, Ethereum for ERC20, Tron for TRC20, to cover transaction fees. If you try to send USDT but don't have enough ETH or TRX for the minor fee, the transaction will fail, and your USDT will remain blocked. User error, while sometimes hard to admit, can also play a role. Incorrectly entering your PIN, or if you're attempting to recover your wallet, using an incorrect mnemonic phrase or the wrong address type, SegWit versus non-SegWit, can lead to your wallet displaying an empty balance or generating a different address than expected. ELLIPAL wallets also have anti-tamper features. If the device detects any unauthorized physical tampering, it's designed to automatically wipe all data, protecting your assets but also making them inaccessible until you recover your wallet using your seed phrase. This is why having a secure, offline backup of your seed phrase is absolutely paramount. Finally, less common but still possible, are firmware issues or software bugs. ELLIPAL regularly releases firmware updates to enhance security and introduce new features. If your device's firmware is outdated, or if there's a rare bug, it could potentially affect asset display or transaction functionality. In such cases, ensuring your ELLIPAL device and app are running the latest versions is crucial. If you've checked all these possibilities and your assets still appear blocked, reaching out to ELLIPAL's customer support is your next best step. They have dedicated teams to help troubleshoot complex issues and guide you through recovery processes. Remember to provide them with as much detail as possible about your situation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.